So as you guys can see, Shayna's applying the new butter gloss that just dropped. You guys could also like put what Shayna did is put a liner first and lined out her lips just a little. Yeah, because you know you don't want it to be too bold. Sometimes, yeah, depending on the look. But she's young, so we put a light liner, and then she added the pink butter gloss.
Pink Passion.
The Pink Passion butter gloss. So
it smells so good.
I don't know if you guys know, but this product just dropped, so go ahead and get yours.
Period.
So yeah,
very buttery. That's why I called it the butter gloss.
Very buttery, very hydrated. Moisturizing. Yeah,
and still very pigmented.
Ooh, yes, because you still see the pink.
Oh dear,
it's very dense. So
okay, just give us a.
Ooh, I'm feeling it. Yeah. So this is like a Janae Aiko vibe. I'm getting Janae Aiko vibes from this. And that's just oh wow. Okay.
Okay, let's get into the look.
Let's get into the look. Yes.
Now we're gonna add highlight.
I'm gonna add highlight now.
Oh, crazy. I was trying to hit.